you're gonna have to excuse the rain. You're gonna have to excuse the rain, but as you can see, it's raining, so the water's getting in as I am opening the door, because it's heavily raining where I am at the moment in Wales. But yeah, full interior, the dash, full dash as well, nothing rattles, nothing bangs, nothing's loose on the dash, everything is lovely. Doors shut nice and straight, and yeah, apart from the rain, nothing, all the sills are doing their job. Outriggers are good. It's got uprated suspensions. Pocket's good, all original, obviously apart from the engine conversion. Cold start. That's my hand on the manifold, as you can see. Nothing there. It's a cold engine, so just make sure it's neutral. Break this down. Bang. Sounds lovely. Runs flat as well, so no smoke. Tires are good.